Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're kind of changing directions. We're actually going to work on this thing. The person who owns this gave this to me like a year ago in order to fix it. It was in an accident. It was like a back burner build though. They were like, it doesn't matter. I was kind of doing them a favor. It wasn't going to cost them anything but the materials. They were like, do it when you can. Well, then obviously winter happened. Being as I do a lot of my work outdoors or shops that I can borrow because I don't have a garage, this kind of went way back burner. Well, now then it's getting nice. I started thinking about it again. Well, then this whole COVID-19 thing happened and I couldn't get out, couldn't do things. Well, here just the other day they reached out and they said they would like to get it done, so it's kind of being pushed forward. I've got a 3-day weekend. The quarantining is starting to get a little bit more relaxed, so I'm out and about, so I guess there's really no excuse anymore. We're gonna get started on this thing, so stay tuned. Alright, first we gotta get this new radiator support, or new to us anyway. Up there. The bad thing about all of this is it's been about, I don't know, 9 months or more since this was pulled apart. So it's going to be like trying to put a puzzle back together that you've, not touched in a long time. So it'll be interesting to see. I honestly don't even know if we have all the parts. Good times. All right, it is sitting in there somewhat, not quite perfect, but I do have a lot of the extra parts, I guess you would call them. For example, this, I don't know if it's a fuse block or what that is, but this is obviously down here the original. There we go. This is the original. This is the one that came with the used part. All the wires have been cut off. Probably should have pulled that off before I put this up. I guess it don't matter. It's literally, seconds to pull it back off. But I believe, yeah, there's two lines down here. This guy and this guy. That's for the power steering cooler. That little guy right there. They still have rubber hoses where they were cut on the end there. Alright, update time. I actually ended up pulling the radiator. I guess that's kind of obvious. The mounts for the condenser sit back in there underneath, so I couldn't get at them with the radiator in there, so that had to come out. I'm going to be working on that here pretty soon, get those mounts in, put the radiator back in. But I did get all of my wires transferred over to the new radiators, for all the ground wires and the new cooling lines. Hi honey, what's up?
There's a bug behind me.
There's a bug on you?
There's a bug behind me.
Oh, I don't see it. I think you're okay. It's actually kind of funny. What's up?
Can I play games on your phone?
Yeah, just 1 second, okay? When I'm done here, I'll get it for you. It was actually kind of funny, being as I'm, not working out of my toolbox. I'm just kind of working with the tools that I've got. I was having to do all sorts of adapting to get a lot of these screws. Like I had to do a 3/8 ratchet with a 1/4 inch choke down, with a 1/4 inch socket, with one of these things. I think that's like 9/32 or something. So I mean, I had all sorts of things stacked together to get some of these off. But Oh well, it is what it is. It's coming along nicely. Hopefully gonna get this bolted down. Oh, honey, shush, please. I'm gonna get this bolted down, and yeah. All right. All right, pulled the radiator. Looking inside of it, I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of dark. Try to get you into the sunlight. There is so much nasty brown mud gookness in there. I'm gonna try to get it rinsed out here. Get a hose hooked up to the pump. So when we pulled this, there was a bolt that just was spinning. So we gotta get that ground off before the can go back on. But everything's together. We just need to put this fender on, and then we can start actually, you know, painting.